Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp in your PC or laptop. So first of all, what you have to do is, if you would like to use the application version, all you have to do is open a browser, then type in WhatsApp download, then you will see download WhatsApp. You're going to have to download your WhatsApp from here by clicking on download. And as you do that, you will be downloading your WhatsApp application. You're going to have to search for WhatsApp here. It will appear, and all you have to do is open it and likewise scan the QR bar and get logged into your WhatsApp application. In case you would like to use WhatsApp Web, it's a browser version of WhatsApp. Type in WhatsApp Web, then you will see WhatsApp Web itself. Go ahead and click onto it. Right at this section as well, you're going to have to launch your WhatsApp from your mobile, and likewise follow all these steps that it shows you right here. Scan the QR bar and everything will be synced, and then you will be able to use WhatsApp web version. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon in our next upload.